everybody, this is Tenpin for Tenpin Plays, and we are playing Dust, an Elysian Tale. We just gave Gianni the itchies. I still can't speak, and let's see if there's some more stuff here. What are we gonna do? Let's do the blacksmith. I think the blacksmith is going to be useful. Why that's a side quest, though, is beyond me. You would think that would be kind of... I'm Mayor Riker. Yeah, it shouldn't be a side quest. I mean, that's an important part of the game, you'd think. A blacksmith? They said the blacksmith was at Archer's Pass, if I remember. Okay, we got awesome music to open it up. Yay! Just double check. Yep. It's Archer's Pass. Huh? What are you? I don't have that gem. So, up we go.
Do you hear something flapping?
Besides you?
What? That isn't you?
Hey, I don't make that much noise.
Debatable.
Wait, you're right. Look out! We've got company!
Got a question, guys. Does anybody know where I can get the soundtrack to this? God. I love it. Alright, there's a save point. Nice. I'm gonna bring this bomb along because... Oh, I love the graphics too, man. That's awesome. Yeehaw. Man, let's just admire this background. It's awesome. And it's zoomed out so far, it's hard to see what's going on. Arr! You little twerp and a half slime. Found to save these things. Again, twerps and a half. Oh, a shop. Might come in handy here. Let's have a look.
Ah, hello again, my friend. I suspected you would return.
With the glowing eyes of evil, you know I would.
Ah.
How do I switch to cell mode? Oh. There, so now he can stock more items. Okay, well.
Your transaction.
Nothing quite like a hidden salesman. Ow, 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 ow. Ding! Level up. Considering I kicked the bucket the last time, I probably should level up my health, but I'm just gonna do the defense again. You can tell I'm not leveling up Fidget. Ah! Remember, fire won't kill you. It'll just lower your health all the way down to 1. Might as well use the feeble fruits. I didn't mean it. It's a cupcake, I know. Got a treasure key. More wall chicken. With all due respect to Scootaloo, how the hell did you get in there? And why would I eat it? Why is it so healthy for me? Gosh, it's hard to tell what you can and cannot jump on sometimes. But okay. More wall chicken. What's over here? Are you something I can go through? No, okay. Save point, finally. Alright. Let's see. And being that low, yeah, it's a trap. Alright, can't climb that yet. New save point. I just remembered about being able to jump backwards. Gosh, I'm an idiot sometimes. May the chain go unbroken of exploding bad guys. Whee! And you are.
Hello there.
Hi.
Easy there, Chief.
Everyone, calm down, please. So, you were the ones making all that noise up there.
Not intentionally. By the way, do you know you have bloms in the attic?
Oh, those? They don't bother us, and they tend to keep the other monsters away. If I knew we were having company, I'd have cleared them out myself. Sorry about that, I guess.
Manners? Who knew?
So, what brings you two this far outside Aurora? I'm assuming that's where you're from.
Good guess.
I'm Dust, and this is my companion, Fidget. We're here to deliver these materials on Augustin's behalf.
Oh, well, nice to meet you. I'm Haley, and this is my brother, Maddie.
Hi, Haley. Maddie.
Don't mind him. I see you've got a blueprint there. Mind if I take a look?
By all means.
Well, this doesn't look too hard. Tell you what, if you can find me the materials for it, I'll craft this item for you.
Thanks, Haley.
And, just because I like you, I'll give you a blue resonance gem. Don't know if you caught it on your way up, but there's a big blue door at the foot of Archer's Pass that this'll open.
Cool.
Just inside the door is a teleporter that'll take you right up here. Makes return trips a lot easier. So you can come and visit anytime you like.
Offering?
I'll be honest, even with a shortcut at the foot of the pass, I'm not sure I'll be able to make it up here too often.
Well, my dad did have these little receiver things he'd give to his regular customers to transport goods back and forth. Unfortunately, I don't have any of them to give you. Let me think. If I remember correctly, one of my dad's customers dropped one somewhere in Abadi's forest. If you were to find it, I could craft your items and send them to you through the receiver whenever you wanted.
Now that would be useful.
Dad normally gives his customers a blue resonance gem, so check for blue resonance gates in Abadi's forest. Need anything else?
I think I'm going to Abadi's forest next.
So, let's talk. So, is blacksmithing the official family trade then?
In a way, I guess. My father said I could be whatever I wanted, but when you grow up alongside a world-famous blacksmith, your options are fairly limited.
Oh, I believe that.
Not that I mind, though. It's nice to have skills that are in demand these days. Everybody always needs something forged, whether it's amulets or armor.
So, business is good?
It's been better. Still, we make enough to keep things going, and that's the important thing. Need
Alright.
anything else?
Well,
Thanks, Dust. Don't be long coming back.
That went incredibly well. Do you know why?
Fidget, what are you thinking?
I don't know, Fidget. Why?
Oh, don't be so dense. It's because she likes you.
Fidget, what are you talking about?
You didn't see the signals? She was giving you the signals.
That's great, Fidget. Really, I'll keep that in mind.
Fidget, are you trying to say that she wants to make baby dusts? In that case, why don't you just up and say that? Okay. New resonance gem. New fun to be had. Going down. Open sesame. Oh. Okay. The girl. Don't worry, I put her cage in a safe place. If ever you need to find her, just climb high above the wooden bridge near Denham. And don't try doing that wall jump move of yours to get her. You'll fall and break your neck. Wait, wall jump move? There's a wall jump move? You know what? While we're at it, I believe there is a quest that requires a box. I think there is. I know where that box is that he's referring to. Up. There's Bean and Calum. Augustine.
I'll be honest, there ain't a whole lot here. But you'll find a shop near the east entrance.
Thanks, Augustine. Maybe we'll drop by.
Where's the Itchy Pants? There's Itchy Pants. Oh, we found a box. Let's open this box. We got stuffs. I guess that's not the box we were looking for.
Oh, my box.
But, I think... yeah. The next step is to... go to the Abatis Forest, so... or Abadi's Forest. Abadi. Alright. Might as well go and find out what's going on in the Abadi's Forest, considering this is where the quests are supposed to be. Or vast majority of the quests are supposed to be, at least. Alright. Bunch of guys going boom. I like it. No, I don't think I like the looks of that. I'm gonna go up here, see what's up here first. Haven't really explored everything yet. Don't drop the stick, dude. It'd be pretty hard for you to attempt to fight back, at least.
I am here to serve. Your transaction.
Thank you.
Alright, let's see. Boom. think regardless of what's up ahead, I'm going to call it here because we're rapidly approaching a half hour of video and I don't want to bore you too much. This is Tenpin for Tenpin Plays, reminding you all that there are 2 dates in time they'll carve on your stone. Everyone knows what they mean. What's more important is the time that is known by the little dash there in between. Give that dash some stories to tell. Peace.